The Home tab provides a quick overview of Ayuda premium assignments and incoming Flex requests. Here, you can see essential information about pending service requests or tasks assigned to you at a glance. Premium assigned tasks. Incoming Flex requests. In the Premium tab, you can view all activities related to premium tasks. Active Ayudas. This tab allows you to view all active activities. This includes ongoing tasks, suspended tasks, and refunded tasks. History. This tab allows you to view all history activities. This includes completed tasks, canceled tasks, and deleted tasks. Invoice icon. This icon allows you to access all your requested premium invoices for easy tracking and management. The Premium menu tab is a dedicated section within the Ayuda Service Provider App, where you can efficiently manage all premium assigned works and interact with them. Let's explore its key features. Active Ayudas. This section displays all ongoing requests that have been assigned to you by Ayuda. Here, you can track the progress of premium service requests that are currently in process. Ongoing requests. Access all ongoing requests assigned to you by Ayuda. Manage and fulfill these tasks efficiently to provide high-quality service to customers. Suspended works. View any works that have been suspended indefinitely or suspended with a new date. This section includes requests that are on hold for various reasons, allowing you to manage them effectively. Refund requests. Access this section to view all jobs or service requests that customers have canceled and requested refunds for from Ayuda. History. This tab or section allows you to view all your premium past activities and transactions. This includes completed service requests, as well as any requests that were canceled or deleted. Invoice icon. This icon allows you to access all your requested premium invoices for easy tracking and management. The Flex menu features allows service providers to efficiently manage incoming service requests, track ongoing tasks, and handle all related transactions with ease and convenience. Explore this tab allows you to view all the incoming Flex service requests from the customers. Active Ayudas. This tab allows you to view all active activities. This includes pending tasks, ongoing tasks, suspended tasks, and refunded tasks. History. This tab allows you to view all history activities. This includes completed tasks, canceled tasks, and deleted tasks. Invoice icon. This icon allows you to access all your requested Flex invoices for the customer service request. Active Ayudas. The Flex. Active Ayuda section is divided into 4 subsections. Pending requests. Here, you can track requests for which you've made offers and are awaiting the customer's acceptance. Monitor the status of your offers and take necessary actions accordingly. Ongoing requests. This area displays requests where customers have accepted your offers and you've commenced work on them. Monitor ongoing tasks and ensure smooth progress towards completion. Suspended works. Access this section to view any work suspended indefinitely or suspended with a new date. This may include requests that are on hold for various reasons, allowing you to manage them effectively. Refund requests. Here, you'll find all the jobs or service requests that customers have canceled and requested refunds for from Ayuda. Stay informed about refund requests and manage them accordingly. History. The History section allows you to view all completed Flex service requests, as well as any requests that were canceled or deleted. Easily track past activities and transactions within this section for better organization and management. Invoices icon. This icon allows you to access all your requested Flex invoices for the customer's request. Located at the top right of the Flex tab, the Invoice icon grants you access to all invoices related to Flex services. The More tab provides access to Extended app features. Access additional features such as Wallet to manage your earnings and withdrawals, and Complaints to report any issues or complaints. Account and settings. Update your profile information, change password, manage notifications, and customize app preferences. Other options, miscellaneous. Explore more options and features available in the app, such as help and feedback, app version information, and legal terms. The Wallet feature in the Ayuda Service Provider App allows service providers to manage their earnings conveniently. Users can track their income from completed tasks, view transaction history, and withdraw funds to their preferred payment accounts. With the Complaints feature, service providers can address any issues or concerns they encounter during their interactions with customers or within the app. Users can submit complaints, provide details, and seek resolution for any disputes or problems they encounter. The Account section provides comprehensive control over user profiles. Users can view and update their profile information, edit details such as contact information, change passwords for security, or delete their accounts if necessary. The Settings feature allows you to switch the notifications on and also set up your location preferences, either by region or by proximity. Service providers can access information about the Ayuda app in this section, including the current app version, additional details about the platform, options to learn more about its features, share the app with friends, and rate the app. The Help and Feedback feature provides users with resources and assistance for navigating the app and resolving any issues they encounter. Users can access FAQs, tutorials, and submit feedback or inquiries to the Ayuda support team for further assistance. That's it. You've successfully learned about the menu features in the app. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you for choosing Ayuda.